Today I'm going to introduce you our smart fridge with a new function.
This is an age verifier, and the payment system is NIAS card reader.
With this age verifier, the machine is allowed to sell some products like alcohols, beers, CBD products, or even cigarettes. Let me show you how to buy. Firstly, I will tap the bank card and see what happens.
Not verified.
Before payment, you must verify your age first. If your age is below the limitation, you are not allowed to go ahead. The operator can set the age limitation from the APP. For example, you can set 16 or 18. Of course, if you are selling something like fruits and vegetables and don't need this age verification module, you can turn it off from the APP. Now let me show you a whole buy-in process. Now, I got the alcohol from the machine. If you want to know more information about our smart fridge, welcome to contact us. Thank you for watching.